Okay, Jayla, you just finished practicing examining the stem on your own, doing rules of twos and threes. You did pretty good. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, what does step 6 say in the dissect word identification strategy?
Check the symbols.
Okay. So, this strategy is only used after you've tried the first 5 steps, right? Discover the context, isolate the prefix, separate the suffix, say the stem, and examine the stem, right?
Right.
So, you're going to do all those things first, and if you still can't figure it out, you can check with someone, okay?
Okay.
To figure out how to pronounce the word. All right, so you just, politely ask somebody, can you tell me what this word is? Who do you think would be a good person to ask for help?
My mom.
Your mom. Yeah, because you're still learning virtually, so your mom would be a good person to ask. All right. Um, all right, so let's look at the very last step. And you know what? You are so fortunate because when I was your age, girlfriend, we did not have Google. Okay? All I had was a dictionary. So what does step 6 say?
Try the dictionary.
All right, but you've got an online dictionary.
Yep.
And the cool part about having an online dictionary is that it tells you how to pronounce the word.
Right.
Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. I didn't have it.
In school, we still have to use the dictionary.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I think it's a good skill, though. It's a good skill. Because if you see, have you ever noticed the little weird little symbols after the word?
Yeah.
They tell you how to pronounce it. You understand how that works?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, so step 7 is to be used when you can't find someone to ask, or when people you ask don't know the word either, because that happens sometimes, right?
Yeah.
You can also use this step if after you dissected the word, you still don't know what it means. Okay?
Okay.
So step 7 is try the dictionary. All right? All right, so we're not going to do the example since you already said you have to do it anyway with school. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to wrap up this whole lesson. So the mnemonic device dissect, right? Notice again that the word stands for discover, isolate, separate, say, examine, check, try. They all start with the words DISSECT, right? Stands for dissect. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so again, remember that with this strategy, when you come to a word that you don't know, you keep reading to the end of the sentence, right? So that you can try to figure it out. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so we want to go ahead and pull out your goal sheet real quick, and we're going to set a goal. You should have it. I think it's on your affirmations, which we forgot to do our affirmation. What's your affirmation for today?
I'm successfully doing the word identification strategy.
Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. We'll set your goals, and that's going to be our pretty much our last thing that we're going to do today. All right. So your goal now I want you to set is how fast you are going to learn this word identification strategy. Today we did learn it, but like for you really to get a whole comfortable using it. So what is your goal? How soon do you want to feel like super comfortable using this strategy?
Maybe 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks? Okay, so let's go ahead and write that out.
Okay.
So my goal is to use the dissect strategy. And would 2 weeks from now be? Probably like December. I need my phone. LaShawn, you have a calendar in there. Y'all got a calendar? I just need to look at what that date will be. Okay. really could have paused the video earlier. I wasn't thinking. I just stopped the video. Well, thank you. Y'all got a professional calendar. Okay.
Stop eating that cat.
So 2 weeks. That would be, because today is the 11th. So that would be by Thanksgiving Day. So do we want to say Thanksgiving Day?
Yeah.
Or, okay. So that's November 25th. So that is your goal. Okay?
Okay.
Here's the definition of simile. A figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind, used to make a description more emphatic or vivid, e.g., as brave as a lion, crazy like a fox.
All right, so let me go back. Come on, where you at? Come on, focus. What does it simile mean? Make a handkerchief float like a butterfly. Like a butterfly, butterfly. Okay, so that's the simile. You ever heard Dad and Daddy talk about Muhammad Ali? Yeah, I float like a butterfly, sing like a bee. That's why they call me Muhammad.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so
Can you get your web real quick?
yeah.
And then I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions to close out today. And we'll summarize and finish it up. All right. So what was the main idea of today's lesson?
How to use the identification strategy.
Okay, you can just put that on your web.
What is a symbol?
Okay. What did you learn today?
How to use the dissect a method.
Okay. You can put that on there.
Next, how many questions?
Okay. What confused you about the lesson?
And we'll come back. Okay? Get your paper plate. Say the words. Because sometimes when I break it up, it gets a little more confusing.
Okay. All right. You don't have to write that one. Okay. How will this lesson help you in your future life?
When I'm reading a book and I get stuff in the book, I can refer back to the
Okay. Awesome. And you don't have to write that one either. Thank you so much. All right. So today we began to learn about the word identification strategy. It consists of 7 steps, right? That we can remember by using the mnemonic device dissect. You've set some goals about how fast you want to learn this strategy. So the next time we will go into a little bit more in regards to this strategy, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for working with me today.
You're welcome.